I'm a PhD student at UTD, and my main topic of research is dynamical system with continuous connected point or connected dynamical system with continuous equilibrium points which are connected. So I am my main research is focusing on a system that can be written as a linear equation with some frictional part. So I can write it like this: sine ct z, where everything c, b, c, and z is vectors in Rn, and A is some n by n matrix. So this system can be studied in different ways. For example, I'm trying to investigate global stability of such system, which is already studied, and I'm trying to investigate the following phenomenon. We can consider first a system without friction, and such system could be not stable at all, as they could diverge and has no equilibrium points. However, if you add a frictional part like this, we could achieve a whole, at least one single point of stability, or we can get an interval where our system attains equilibrium.
Did you miss some derivative somewhere?
Oh yeah, it should be derivative. Sorry. Okay, so why such system is important? Because many mechanical systems with friction could be reduced to such system. For example, if you have such system where when consider, for example, mechanical system with n degrees of freedom, we can reduce this standard Newton equation, for example, kx plus gamma x dot plus frictional part sine of ctx dot to this system by changing of variables like this. So we can write vector z as vector x and its derivative, and A in this case would be a matrix 0 identity gamma k. Yes, and B is 0p. And okay, let wave here. Okay, so we can reduce this system to this system, and that's why it's important in application. And what have we reached so far? We've investigated some small degree systems, for example, n equals 2 and 3, and we could show that such system has no global stability for some matrices, say. However, they have a local stability, and that's probably it. Yes. Yes.
You investigated so far what?
We investigated such system in small degrees, in degrees n equals 2 and 3, and we have achieved that such system has local stability, and there is some region in Rn in which any solution could converge to an equilibrium point in some time. And however, outside this region, the system has no convergence at all. And that's probably it that I want to talk about.
Thank you.